Hey crypto enthusiasts, Liam here from Crypto Gains HD with breaking XRP news that you absolutely need to know about. Today, April 28, 2025, we've got some exciting developments that could send XRP to unprecedented heights. Let's dive right in. Big news today as ProShares has received the SEC's green light to launch 3 new XRP-tracked ETFs. That's right. The financial giant is set to introduce an Ultra XRP ETF with 2x leverage, a Short XRP ETF, and an Ultra Short XRP ETF with -2x leverage. This massive development comes following the conclusion of Ripple's legal battle with the SEC, which has cleared significant regulatory hurdles for XRP. These new ETFs are scheduled to launch this week, joining Teucrium's 2x XRP ETF that started trading earlier this month. Teucrium's launch was notably successful, racking up over $5 million in trading volumes on its first day, becoming what the firm called their most successful launch ever. The impact on XRP's price has been immediate and powerful. XRP is currently trading at $2.34, up an impressive 7% today alone and a solid 10% over the past week. Trading volume has surged by a staggering 132% in the same period, showing just how much investor interest is flooding into XRP right now. But that's not all. The CME Group recently announced plans to launch XRP futures on May 19. As the world's leading derivatives marketplace, CME's entry into XRP futures is a major vote of confidence. Traders will have options to trade both a micro-sized contract of 2,500 XRP and a larger contract of 50,000 XRP. This follows their successful Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana futures offerings, further legitimizing XRP in the institutional investment space. Now, here's where things get really interesting for XRP holders. While these futures ETFs are exciting, the market is holding its breath for something potentially much bigger: Spot XRP ETFs. Several applications for Spot XRP ETFs have been acknowledged by the SEC, with fund manager Grayscale's filing facing a critical May 22 deadline. This could be the catalyst that sends XRP to new all-time highs if approved. Speaking of price predictions, prominent analyst EGRAG has made some bold forecasts that have the community buzzing. According to his chart analysis, XRP could reach a target of $27 this summer, between June and September 2025. That would represent an incredible gain from current prices. But hold onto your seats, because that's not even his ultimate target. EGRAG suggests that after potentially reaching $27, XRP might experience a correction down to around $5 during what he calls the fourth wave, over the next 3 years. However, the fifth and final wave could push XRP beyond that $27 peak to a mind-blowing $120. At that price, XRP's market cap would soar to approximately $7 trillion. While these are ambitious predictions, they showcase the growing optimism surrounding XRP's future. Why are we seeing such bullish sentiment around XRP? Several factors are at play. First, the regulatory clarity achieved through Ripple's concluded legal battle with the SEC has removed a major cloud that hung over XRP for years. Second, institutional interest is skyrocketing with the introduction of these ETFs and futures products. Third, technical analysts point to a falling wedge breakout pattern that suggests strong upward momentum. And fourth, whale accumulation has been increasing, with large holders adding to their positions. For the near term, many analysts see $5 as a plausible target, especially if a Spot XRP ETF gets approved by May 2025. Analyst John Squire has set a target of $3.63 based on technical patterns, which seems well within reach given the current momentum. The final piece of this exciting puzzle is the approaching deadline for Grayscale's Spot XRP ETF application on May 22. This date could prove pivotal for XRP's price trajectory in 2025. If approved, we could see XRP rapidly accelerate toward those higher price targets that analysts have been discussing. With ProShares XRP futures ETFs launching on April 30, just 2 days from now, and the CME Group's XRP futures coming in May, we're entering a period of unprecedented institutional access to XRP. This could be the beginning of a historic run for Ripple's digital asset. That's all for today's XRP update. If you found this information valuable, please smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Gains HD, and share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another upload as we continue to bring you the latest and most important crypto news. This is Liam signing off. Catch you in the next one.